mind when maybe something negative is around them?
So a mindset too, what you don't realize that a mindset is the way you think. So the way you do anything can be learned. So often people think, oh, you're just positive, you're naturally positive, you were born that way. But you can actually train your mind to think in a certain direction and think in a certain way. And that's what I've done just by reading a lot of books and studying on it. But I think the fastest and the easiest way to ever shift your mind, if you ever find yourself wallowing and being frustrated, is to realize that your mind and your brain cannot hold two emotions or two thoughts simultaneously. I know we all think we're great at multitasking, and we are, and you're great salespeople, great with the power of work. But you think you can stream Netflix or drive your car and text and call and do all these things, multitasking at the same time. But your brain is actually just flipping back and forth between the tasks, going back and forth. It's very fast. But what I've learned is that your brain cannot hold two emotions or two thoughts at the exact same time. So what that means is that scientifically speaking, you cannot actually be angry and grateful at the same time.
So part of it then must be self-awareness. You've got to realize that you're feeling anger and not greatness. What I love about your book is you say that you start every day with gratitude.
Yeah.
How did you come up with that?
That's been the most powerful, because gratitude is the ultimate antidote to frustration and anger. And you have to start your day in the right way, in a winning way, like you talked about. Because you have to have the greatest intention. We've all been there. You have this great day plan. You get out there, you have a meeting, you have 2 more at the rest of the day, and all of a sudden your client calls and cancels, or you get caught in